I'm here with Pramod Nair from Microsoft to discuss our partnership in security. Pramod, could you kindly describe our partnership in security for telecoms, mission-critical enterprises, cloud, edge, and core networks?
Sure. Thank you for having me, Nina. So, in Microsoft, we believe Nokia is a great partner for us because when two big companies come together, it's not for a product, it's not for a solution. It's to create a change in the entire ecosystem of service providers, right? So if you look at the different layers of where Microsoft and Nokia comes together, you can look at the routing layer, you can look at the radio layer, you can look at the core network layer. It's all about bringing those all things together to make sure that service provider has got the best benefit from Microsoft and Nokia together. An example is using the evolution of data fabric in Microsoft, bringing that with the evolution of the routing and switching and the radio from Nokia. You can look at the cybersecurity areas where Microsoft and Nokia's are working together. So I believe we as Microsoft and Nokia's has got a big change coming up to service providers.
And then how crucial is AI in security operations? How are we helping the customers there?
That's a very good question, Ina. Thank you for sharing that. AI and the partnerships in AI comes in different layers, right? For example, if you look at the AI modeling itself, Microsoft has got these all AI models, right? And those AI models could be used in different areas of telco. Now, specific to the security operations, the layers of how you can have the threat hunting, the threat visibility, anomaly detection, and the value of having the AI in those areas are huge. So to speak of areas where Microsoft and Nokia can work together, the knowledge and the power of Nokia in the radio, in the core, in the routing areas, the power of Nokia, power of Microsoft in the AI layers, on the AI modeling, the entire end-to-end integration, those areas is where I think we can help service providers, specifically on the SecOps center. Microsoft also invests close to $12 billion every 18 months approximately to make sure that our data centers are secure, meaning which our partners like Nokia, our customers including service providers and partners as well, their ecosystem, when deployed on the Microsoft and Nokia's joint solution, they are trustable and they are a good benefit to service providers.
Then what is one practical first step telecoms and mission-critical infrastructures can take to modernize their security?
Thank you very much. And the practicality is where we make a clear, defined differentiator when Nokia and Microsoft comes together, right? So let me give you one concrete example. So let's talk about CISOs, right? CISOs needs a visibility on three key layers of their telco infrastructure. One is specifically RAN, core, where we have got radio systems, you have got 4G, 5G, upcoming 6G as well. Then you've got the IT layers, right? The IT layers, you have the routing, you have got the switching, you have also got these application layers. Then you have got the monetization part. We call that B2X, meaning which B2B, B2C, and B2B2B, and B2B2C, right? CISOs want all these things aggregated and making sure that they have the end-to-end visibility. Now here, when Nokia and Microsoft came together, it was not about just pushing all the telemetry up to the visibility layer. We need to understand what components of those specific telemetry are required for the teams. Could be a flag, could be a UEID, could be anything related to what is required to understand the telemetry. And we created a solution called as Nokia Cybersecurity Dome. Here is where the power of Microsoft, the power of Nokia comes together, and we make sure that any SOC analyst, when they identify a threat, they click a button, they need not go through each and every step of identifying and mitigating the threat. The co-pilot agent behind the scenes makes sure that the Nokia's customers can have an end-to-end visibility of the threats. So this is a very concrete example helping to optimize CAPEX, helping to optimize OPEX, and making sure that they get a real value out of Microsoft and Nokia.
Oh, it's amazing what we can do together.
This is just a beginning, it's a journey, and guys, just look out, got loads of things coming up from Microsoft and Nokia. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for the interview.